Let's get you breaking news coming in, and this is in regard to the government extending the cotton. This is the cotton import duty that has now been exempted till the 31st of December. So that is a move that the government is now taking. This is an exemption as far as import duty on cotton. This is a relief that is coming about, and that is something. This is the breaking news that we have for you at this particular point in time. A move to augment cotton availability and a boost as far as India's textile sector is concerned. In order to know more on this, we have my colleague Sakshi Bajaj joining us. Sakshi, what does this really mean, and how long is this extension for?
That's right. Well, this is a big boost for India's textile sector. Remember, India's government has constantly been saying that, look, we will take steps, concrete steps to minimize the impact. And really, this is what this exemption means. This is, of course, to boost small exporters and give them that time to adapt to the new normal. So, of course, this is coming in light of, remember, government sources earlier were also telling NDTV that, look, there's really no need to panic. Communication channels will remain open and concrete measures will be taken. So, this really is a sectoral move coming into play and swift action really for our viewers to understand that earlier the government had said we will take measures beyond just GST reforms, and now we are seeing those come into light, that this measure really will give everyone time till December till December 2025. Till then really the textile industry, remember, is one sector that many economists and analysts have been saying that look will be impacted immensely. So this really move comes to cushion that impact, to give enough availability of cotton to the domestic market, and therefore this measure coming in very, very timely and swiftly.